I'm gonna try out a new foundation in the drugstore, and it's the Revlon Colorstay Light Coverage Foundation that I am going to try out. It's a 12-hour foundation. It's natural finish foundation, and it also 130 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce of product. This is the foundation. It's in the drugstore here now. It's a bit pricey. The color of it, I'm not sure. I have mine in cappuccino. Yeah, I have mine in cappuccino. It also have SPF in this foundation, and it's 510 cappuccino, and they said it all the hydrate, they have hydration in this foundation. So this is the foundation, you guys, that I am going to try out. It's from Revlon Colorstay. So let's hope that, look you guys, this is the foundation. Okay, so I already prime my face, do my brow and my eyes already. So when you open the foundation, this is how it look, you guys. It have like this color, like, you know, I'm not sure. When I saw it in the store, this is how it look on the back of my hand, and it's very runny. So let's see how it really work on me. Hope it's not too light for my skin tone, you guys. So I am going to buff the foundation in my skin, and it's like a lightweight foundation. Feel light on the skin, but it's really easy to dry. Look a bit light on the skin. These are the color that they're not really like have of a dark shade in it. But you know, as I always use foundation with cappuccino, so I decided that, you know, I want to try this foundation out to see if it's really if it can work with my skin tone. So this is how it first blend on the face, you guys. So I am going to also put some more on my brush, not on my hand this time. Just put some more on the brush and try to see. It's a little bit light, but you know, it's the winter, so it's, I guess it's okay. It's really light on my skin. For me to use this, maybe I need to like mix it with another Revlon foundation that I have, but this is so light on the skin, you guys, very light. It have a tintish color, like, you know, and when I saw it in the store, I wanted was to try it, and this was the darkest shade that I see in the store. So I said, you know, let's try this out and see how it work. And it don't really, like, it's not cover, like, it feel like it's skin. It look natural, but it don't really cover me. So I guess that you have to. So I'm gonna use a sponge, and I'm gonna use some more because I already have a damp sponge in front of me, and see if I get another cover from it, and see if it can cover my skin tone better. See if this sponge blend it out better than the brush. It still look light. So I guess I have to mix this foundation the next time around I'm using it. I just have to mix it with another darker foundation for my face, but it's a bit. I am going to put um, some of this and not much in it, and see if I can really like.
It's really, really light, you guys. Never know that it's so light. Sometimes you buy a cappuccino foundation and it's really red, but this is one of the light cappuccino. My hair is catching in my face. This is one of the light cappuccino foundation here.
I'm gonna put some concealer under my eyes here, and I'm using the LA Color concealer. Giving the concealer more have more color than this foundation. This is more of a lighter skin. So guys, let me finish up this look and then I'll come back to you and talk about the foundation. Okay guys, so this is the foundation. It turned out pretty after you finish. Like you can see on my face, the foundation doesn't like have any crease here on my face here. You can see around my lip here just like a little move up, but overall it's nice. It's just that the foundation is very, very light for my skin tone. Because I bought it in cappuccino and this was the darkest shade, I feel more than less that this would really work for me, because you see how the bottle here look, you have a tintish look here, and then when you put the product out of the bottle it look more of a lighter foundation, but it feel good on the skin. It doesn't feel like cakey. It blend really, really fast, so you have it dry really, really fast, so you have to blend it really, really fast for you to get this foundation to blend out properly. And then I have to use some a contour stick here to, you know, do my cheek and over my forehead to blend into the foundation, a darker contour stick. And then I also have to use this. I also have to use this here is from Beauty Supplies, a blush. So I use this also with the highlighter to put on my cheek to give my face a little bit more color in this foundation, because this foundation is so light, you guys. So the next time that I'm gonna mix this foundation, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna make sure that I mix it with another foundation, but it blend out really, really nicely on the face. And I put like 3 because I wanted to see if I could build it up, but as you can see, you know, it's not so easy to build up, like, but it's look good on the skin, really, really good on the skin. And I also picked up this eyeshadow, you guys. I have some haul here of eyeshadow that I get from Christmas. I picked up this eyeshadow, and this one is also from Revlon, and this is how the eyeshadow looks. So let's do some swatches of it, which I am wearing today and my lid, you guys. And these are new in the drugstore here. So I have four here, eyeshadow quad in this palette. So this is how it all look here. So this is the gold pink, and this is a different color, and this is a gold, darkish gold. So this is how it really look on the skin, and this is what I am wearing on my eyes. Haven't get any fallout from it, and they are very, very pretty. You can see how pretty these are, and these are also pricey, and this is from the Revlon also, you guys. Revlon soft turbo, Revlon what? Revlon, I can't even see this word here, but this is how it is, you guys. And this is also a Revlon eyeshadow. So guys, if you do like this video, please remember to subscribe, turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified. But I really and truly love this foundation, you guys. It looks so nicely on the skin. I don't know when you see this video how it look to you, but to me, looking at it, it really look nicely on the skin, and it easy to blend. It just that it's easy to dry, and the color shade are really not matching me, so I have to use it with another foundation. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.